In today's video, I am going to be stuffing my daily cash envelopes, my sinking funds, my debt, and my savings. And I will be stuffing this. This is from my very first paycheck in the month of October. I'm also going to be talking about how I determined which sinking funds I would create and save money for. So if that is something that you are wanting to hear and discuss and talk about, then just go ahead and stay tuned. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and I really encourage that you subscribe to the channel and make sure that you click the notification bell so that you know every time that I upload a video. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I am so happy that you are back. Let's dive into it. You guys, so the very first thing that I do is I empty my cash envelopes from the previous pay period. So I got some receipts here. These receipts I do need to scan in my Fetch app, where I do get gift cards from scanning my receipts. It's totally free. If you don't know about Fetch, I definitely encourage that you download the app. All you need to do is scan your receipts that you get just from daily spending. You gain points from that, and you can cash those points in for gift cards. I 100% love the app. I buy all of my luxury things that I like. I just bought some perfume from some of the points that I got from there. This was a birthday gift, so I actually need to put this to the side. So I'm gonna empty the money from the previous paycheck, and I'm gonna need to empty these coins. I know in the last video I was telling you guys that I didn't know what I was gonna do with my coins, because to be honest with you, I really like the coin challenge. Is great, but I don't know that I really want to stay committed to the coin challenge. I don't really know how well, anything is valuable, let me not say that. I just don't know that I want to continue to do the coin challenge. So I might cash those in. I still don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. And the coin challenge is just basically saving all of your coins. I do separate my quarters and put them in here just in case I am out parking somewhere. I would rather use quarters instead of the card, even if that is an option, but so I keep that with me. So these are the different categories that I am stuffing for. You can catch my last video and it will talk about it in detail. So $50, this was in groceries. I'm gonna put that to the side. I didn't have anything in eating out. And household, let's see what I have left in household. Let's see, I have so 20, 40, 60, 5, 70, 1, 2, 3. I think I'm gonna keep this money in household because I wasn't able to go to actually get what I needed. So I'm just going to roll this over to the next pay period, and I'm just gonna add to it. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this money in here. And then for toiletries, I have $11 left. I'm gonna put this $11 to the side, and I am going to be adding this to one of my self-care envelopes. I don't know yet which one it will be. And then here are the receipts that I need to scan in the Fetch app. So let's see what we have left over. 50, 55, 60, $66 that I'm gonna put somewhere. So I'm just gonna put that right there. Put this away. All right, let's get to stuffing. The first envelope that I'm going to be stuffing is my groceries. So groceries is gonna get $150. So it's gonna get 720s. A 10 and a 5. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. Why I get a 5? I don't know why I took the 5 out. Whoops. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. So $150 in groceries. Next is eating out. Eating out is not going to get anything. And then household, we're going to be adding $40 to this envelope. And that is actually going to be 4 tens. Let's see what we have total. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So $113 should definitely take care of everything that I need. Next up is toiletries. Toiletries is going to get $40 and it's going to be 2 20s. All right. And then I think that's it for my daily envelopes. Yes, that is it. Next up is my sinking funds binder. The first envelope I'm gonna stuff is my savings. And savings, I don't know why I always forget to take money out for savings, you guys. I legit always forget. Oh my goodness. And I was supposed to take out $80 for savings. Okay, so what I'll do when I do my 1 week check-in, then I'll add the $80 to savings. So that's what I'll do. I always forget, and I think it's because it's at the bottom. So I'm gonna try not to forget next time. But when we do my 1 week check-in, I will make sure that I have that money to stuff, okay? So HOA, so now we're here in the sinking funds area. How I determine which sinking funds I need is for different reasons. So once I get to the category, I'll talk about why it is a sinking fund. So first is HOA, and that's gonna get $130. So it's gonna be a $100 bill, a $20 bill, a 10, and 3 ones. So the reason why the HOA is a sinking fund, it is a bill, but I like to just take the money out of my account and I like to stuff it because it just ensures that I make my HOA payment. In my mind, it just works that way. For me, it works best that way. Eventually, once I am out of debt and once I'm out of debt, I will be saving bill money in cash and then I will be depositing it back in the bank once I am 1 month ahead. So this is just a way for me to get the money out, put it in a separate place. I also, it helps me to be able to break the payment up, if that makes sense. So my total HOA is $260 a month, or $266 a month. And I save half of the HOA payment one check, another half the other check. And it just works out best for me that way. So 120, 30, 1, 2, 3. And then this way it just ensures that I have the money. And it's also because I don't like to pay this bill, to be honest with you. So this is just a way that I can make some fun out of it, because stuffing cash envelopes is fun for me. So this makes something that I don't like doing fun, and it helps me to be able to do it. So I have 1, 2, 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So currently I'm half a month ahead because I will be paid again. Then I'll be taking that 133 and then I'll be putting it in the bank. So you see how this basically has even helped me to get half a month ahead in my HOA. And that's because I was paid 3 times last month. Car maintenance is a sinking fund, and car maintenance is going to be getting $20. So I do get my car maintenance, but unless I take the money out to save for it, you know, I think it's just better that I have a separate envelope for it. In order for, I like to pay for my, like, I like to pay for 5 car maintenance appointments at a time, and it's about $300. So that's why I like to have a separate sinking fund for this, so that I can pay for that service to be done on my car. Car registration is going to be getting $12, a 10 and 2 ones. So you guys know here in California, we do have to pay for our car registration once per year. It's not the cheapest, and so I save a little bit every paycheck to make sure that I have the money when it's time. So 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. $24 we have saved. And then next is my car wash. I do like to get my car wash, and unless I save for it a little bit over time, I won't get it washed. So this helps me to be able to make sure that I get it washed. So this is 10, 20, $35. And then next up is trash. This is a bill, $19, a 10, a 5 and 4 ones. 2, 3, 4. So the reason why I have a sinking fund for trash is because this is a way for me to save. It's due once a quarter. For me, if I take the money out of the bank, I will not spend it. All right, so this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75 in trash. The money just builds up. I love sinking funds, you guys. If you don't have them, you definitely, even if you don't do it in cash, if you have like a separate account for your sinking funds, that works too. For giveaways, I am actually going to put some money in here from my side hustle. And then for debt, I didn't take the debt out either. You guys, what was I doing? I didn't take the debt out either. So debt should have been, I don't know how much, but so I will also stuff the debt envelope as well. Reward, did I put anything in here? So my reward envelope, this is when I do meet a financial milestone, I will use the money in here to reward myself for it. And I don't see that I took money out for reward either. Did I budget for that? I told myself I was going to start budgeting for my reward envelope, and I didn't. Jeez Louise, I just messed all the way up. Costco's getting the normal $5. I do love Costco. I love the gas. I love shopping in bulk, even though I'm one person. My friend was like, how do you go to Costco? It's only you and your daughter. Because I do buy bulk laundry detergent, paper plates, paper cups, things like that. I think it's a better deal at a place like Costco instead of like keep going to Target to buy paper plates and cups and things like that. AAA is $15, a 10 and a 5. Oops, come on. All right, so we got 20, 30 bucks in AAA. So that is it for this binder. Next is my self-care binder. You guys, I got my hair done finally. And I am so excited. I got someone else to braid my hair. She was cheaper. So I was able to get my hair done plus the hair all for $4.50. Before, it was just paying the stylist $4.50 and then I would have had to buy the hair. But I was able to do everything. I did also give her a tip because I'm in absolute love of my hair. And then the hair that I had to buy human hair, but yeah, so we're done with that. Nail shop. So usually I will put the leftover money in nail shop, but I'm gonna allocate it to something else today. So skincare is going to be getting $10. So it's going to be getting a $10 bill. Because, you know, I gotta have my skincare. And then cleaners is going to be getting $20. $20 bill. So I really need to take my clothes to the cleaners. So that's why I have a cleaner sinking fund, because my clothes has been sitting there for Lord knows how long. It's been months. And so I need to save money so that I can put my clothes in the cleaners. And then medical is going to be getting $5. And this is if I have any type of medication or anything that I need to get. So I am going to put, let me see, so we got 50. I am going to put this money in my rewards envelope. And the reason why I'm putting it in my rewards envelope is because Sephora is about to have their annual sale. And I do have a couple more bottles of perfume that I want to get. And so hopefully I will pay off another debt. And once I pay off another debt, I'll be able to reward myself. So I'm going to put this money here. I want to get 3 bottles of perfume. And I'll be able to get the $20, 20% off, because I am a Rouge member. When I was spending money like crazy, I definitely met the Rouge member qualifications. So I think you keep your status for like a year. And so I'm still a Rouge member, so I get the highest sale amount. So for all of you guys, Sephora girls, you know, they're about to have their sale. It's actually right here. I hope I'm not doing something I shouldn't be doing. They are not sponsoring this, so starting, if you are a Rouge member, starting from October 27th to November 6th. So if you need to budget for anything, ladies, budget. Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna add it to that. And then yeah, and I think, yep. All right, so I've stuffed my cash envelopes for the next 2 weeks. I've stuffed my sinking funds, and basically you just look at your spending and you check and see what you can save for over time to take care of that expense. That is how I determine my sinking funds. If it is a bill that I don't want to pay, I will make a sinking fund for that, because it makes it fun for me so that I can pay that bill. And that's just kind of how my mind works. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way.